Welcome back to the channel. Today we are putting the nvidia RTX 5090 to the test, running the LTX 2.3 video generating model, including text to video and image to videos. The LTX 2.3 is really a nice model. Here's some of the output generated locally by the 5090. Here is my setup and the PC spec. It has an Intel CPU and a system RAM of 48GB. The GPU is Astro 5090, which has 32GB of VRAM. For the operating system, I use the Linux Ubuntu 24.04. So make sure that you have the latest Comfy UI installed, and we can start the Comfy UI server. Once the server ready, let's go to the web browser and go to the URL 8188. Once you load the workflow, you can see that there is some instruction about how to download the models if you haven't. So just follow those instructions. For the text to video generating, you still need to provide an image input. For the prompt, you can enter them onto the prompt input area. So this you describe what you would like to generate. On the right side, I'm showing you the monitoring for the CPU, for RAM, for disk, and also for the GPU. So you can see exactly what's going on. I think 32GB of VRAM is luckily enough for it. So let's see how much it is actually using. After we hit the run button, we see that on the right side, the disk started to working. It is loading the model from the disk, which is pretty big. So it takes some time if you have a slow disk. There are multiple models need to be loaded. For example, the text encoder. After loading, it transferred the model onto the GPU, and it uses around 27GB of the VRAM. Because the system also uses like 2GB, so I would say like around 25GB. GPU utilization is at 99%, which means it's very efficient. We see that the generating has been completed, so the video will be shown on the screen. It took 117 seconds. So the output looks really nice, so we can then download it. One thing I need to point out is that the text generating within the video doesn't work very well. If the word is very complicated, there may be some issues in the generated video. Here's one example. The word practice is incorrect. Alright, let's switch gear to image to video generating. Very similarly, they basically use the same model, and you provide the input image and provide your prompt. One thing that's really powerful is that the model can generate audio, so you can provide the actual words it's saying, and then it can do the lip sync. After hit the run button, it will start the model loading and the generating of the video. Because it uses the same model, so we can expect the performance is almost the same as the text to video generating. Also, I showed earlier, because that's the first generating after you start the Comfy UI. So once it is called like a warming up, the later generating will take less time, as we can see from here. Once it's complete, we can see the total generating time is 64.8 seconds. That's quite fast. Here is the output. It comes with the audio. We can see the lip sync really works very well.
Welcome to the channel, Tech Practice.
Thank you for watching. Please give it a thumb up and share it. Please subscribe to the channel for future content. Thank you for your support. Goodbye.